Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm hosting this week's stamping collab, and these are the ladies that joined in. Maya Nail Designs, Judinka Nail Art, Jaylee's Nails, Guyleen325, Nerdy Creations, D Loves Nails, Girly Nails 66, and Patty's Polish Corner. I'll have links to their videos in the description box below. As a base, I applied this purple nail polish full of glitter that I mixed myself, as well as this Believe Beauty nail polish called It's Electric on one nail. And since today is Eiffel Tower Day, I decided that it would be perfect to use this image from La Cosedora stamping plate called Wanderlust. I'll also be using her purple stamping polish, which is called Purple Rain. I'm being extra careful about reusing and recycling as much of the paper products that I have, so this little square has already been used for a previous manicure, but I'm going to use it again. To protect the stamping, I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And on the rest of the nails, I'll apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. And here's the completed manicure. I really love the way it turned out. Thank you so much to all the girls who joined me in this fun collab, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!